Morning, peeps.
What are you doing? Fiddling around?
Huh?
Fiddling around. Where are we, Dave?
Kirkham Abbey.
Kirkham Abbey, we are.
Kirkham Abbey.
Well, it's not, it's Kirkham Priory, actually.
Oh, all right, Kirkham Priory, same thing.
Yes, so we're at Kirkham Priory. Not Kirkham Abbey, as I called it. And it is the beautiful ruins of an Augustinian...
It's easy for you to say.
Bloody words.
It's easy for you to say that.
I was practicing it earlier as well.
Is it ecclesiastical?
Augustinian. Priory, dating from the 1120s. And it's set in the gorgeous countryside by the River Derwent, which is over there.
Yeah, see all
Derwent. And on the Gatehouse, so that's the Gatehouse there, it's decorated with the heraldry of the Lord of Helmsley Castle, along with the worn figures of St George and the Dragon and David and Goliath.
And we'll have a look at that in a minute.
You'll be able to see them in a minute. So let's see if we can spot them. They're very worn. So you've got the heraldry shields up there.
Is that David and Goliath there?
Yeah, that's David and Goliath. And on that side is George and the Dragon.
Oh, yeah. I'd say it's a dragon. Oh yeah, it's a dragon, yeah. That's a beautiful gate, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, and it's free to come in. So it's run by English Heritage, but it's actually free to come in. Dogs are welcome. So shall we go and have a look?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go, there's a visitor centre here. Which is closed at the moment.
Picnic bench there, look.
Picnic table.
Medieval picnic table.
It's where the monks would sit and have the gruel.
What I want to know is where the latrines are.
Oh, you're in the blooming room. The 1100s it's been stood here since.
Yeah, you're touching history there, honey.
Somebody held that and put that there.
Yeah, they did.
Had their hands on it and put that there.
Yeah.
Love it. I love it. Milo's chomping at the grass.
There's the latrines, look.
What's that little thing there?
Looks like some kind of fireplace.
Fireplace without a chimney there.
Yeah, strange, isn't it? Might have been a little store.
Could have been, yeah, 'cause
cool.
that looked like a little doorway, didn't it?
Cool store.
Guildstone. Let's
Do
go and
we,
have a look. The priory was founded in 1122 by Lord Helmsley for canons of St Augustine. And that's an aerial view. It's not very clear, is it? That's an aerial view of the priory, showing how the main buildings are. So this is the gate we came in. So this is an illustration of how the priory may have looked in 1538.
There's a picnic table there, look. Monks like the picnic tables, didn't they?
You clearly see the sort of arches of the roof as well, can't you? Some remaining, like, you know, there. Do you think they were like that, or do you reckon there were windows in there before?
No, they would have been like that, wouldn't they?
Yeah?
Yeah, there wouldn't have been windows. Solid stone, babe.
Something's written on DR 1810. By the looks of it. Nice place to come in the summer when it's nice sunny day for a picnic, isn't it?
Yeah. There we go, it's Churchill here, look.
So, following their closure, some abbeys and priories were simply demolished for their stone, but others eventually found other uses. So, during World War II, Kirkham and other places in Yorkshire were used by the military in training for the D-Day, the Normandy landings. Tanks and other military vehicles had to disembark from landing craft, and so a large pool was created between the priory and the river, We've been over there to test their waterproofing. The high wall of the Western Cloyston Range behind you, which is there, was also used to train troops in the use of scrambling nets for transferring from the main transport ships into smaller landing craft. The Prime Minister Winston Churchill took a keen interest in the training and is known to have visited Kirkham to inspect the preparations.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, so it was Winston Churchill came, not the King, as well.
And is he actually there? Is that a picture of him here?
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Just trying to think what that is.
This little quiet corner in North Yorkshire was used for D-Day landings training. Dave loves his history, don't you?
Love it. Absolutely love it.
You love it, don't you?
Yeah.
Not.
It's pump, innit? It's pump history.
As far as Dave's concerned, it's been and gone.
Gone, yes.
Yeah, but it's fascinating. There's some steps in there. Let's go through the front door. Actually, remnants of pillars here. Danger, uneven steps. The stairs to nowhere.
Ooh.
Peekaboo. I'm a monk.
You're supposed to do that then,
Yeah.
if you're going to be a monk. Careful, because if you fall.
I know. I've no hands.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
No, you've got to be quiet. Were they the silent ones?
Ooh.
Were they the silent ones?
I don't know, I've no idea. Mm. Is that the monk noise? Mm.
No, that's a Dave making a silly noise.
Sounds like a cow. Sounds like a cow, not a monk.
Oh, dear me. So that building there where we've been in, the refectory. I'll tell you what, English heritage, you need to tidy these up a bit. The refectory was built in the 13th century and stood over a vaulted cellar. So there was a kitchen in there. The refectory would have been decorated with elaborate wall mouldings. And you can see a few stub and holes remaining. Yeah, a bit. Come on, guys. Get that tidied up a bit.
Yeah, it does need to be tidied up a bit, doesn't it?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's a big thing there, look.
Oh, yeah. So I see there's some steps go down into this. I don't know what this would have been.
The
But
hospital.
there's obviously some kind of drain
The hospital.
there.
Here we go, Milo. There's the latrines, look. Whee! All the way down there, look, all the poo goes down there.
Found a gully.
Huh?
Oh, right, okay. Do you think that would have been like all the
I don't know, it might have been water, mightn't it?
water running
Could have been anything.
coming down?
Sure, it'll tell us somewhere.
Ah, God, this step would have been a bit hard getting up with your cassock and everything on. You have to put your skirt on, wouldn't you?
And you are.
It's a big step. Comes right through there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's the latrines.
The trees. Well, this is a little bit clearer. So over there is the Prior's Hall. This corner of the site contains a straggling range of domestic buildings constructed on a series of man-made terraces. In order to provide them with latrines, they were built along the line of the Priory main drain. So that bit over there
Latrines.
is the main drain.
Is that what it says, latrines?
Yeah.
There you go, you
That
see.
runs in a curving line down the hillside. The Priory's residence is on the right. No, that way. That's me right.
Are we right, honey?
Am I right? As the head of the house, the prior could be expected to live in some comfort and had his own apartment. The building with a large window. Oh, maybe he's referring to this. Immediately to the left of the prior's residence would have included a refectory or misericord where meat could be eaten. Did they not eat meat? Did they have to have a special place to eat meat?
Well, don't know.
To the left is the large 13th century infirmary hall where the canons who were sick or infirm were accommodated.
I told you there would be a hospital, didn't I?
So all this is like accommodation, priory, prior's residence, hospital and whatnot. And there's a train.
And what's this place? Another board?
Gonna have a look. It's amazing in the middle of the ground there.
It's the cloisters.
Cloisters.
Yeah.
So the cloisters was a square court with covered alleys on each side and was used by the canons for study and writing. And apparently in the 19th century the cloister was used as a tennis court and wooden benches were set within the arches of the laver. Assuming like them.
Yeah. So, there you go, people. If you want to have a freeze frame that, have a read. These are the cloisters. So this is the cloister wall. The wall of the
Yes,
cloister.
it would have been a covered
Yeah, and this would have been,
roof.
yeah.
And there's the stairs that I came up. Oh, here's my trousers. What's this? Some of the carvings in the wall, look. Very weathered in there.
Yeah, it will be.
Doesn't get taken care of like some of
Well,
them do.
The aberration of the monasteries, wasn't it?
The
It'll
what?
be the aberration of the monasteries, is it? I don't know.
What?
I don't know. What is it?
Tell me again, what?
No. What is it?
The aberration. The apparition of the monastery. Abolition.
Abolition of the abolition of the monasteries. That one. Well, I'm not very historic, am I? Although I'm old. I might be an old git, but I'm not an historic git, am I? Love these arches, though.
Oh, going back to what I was saying about Winston Churchill, I actually did. Winston Churchill and King George VI paid a top secret visit to Kirkham to view the exercises. I was right. I thought I got that wrong. So the priory was surrendered in 1539 due to the dissolution of the monasteries.
A what? Disillusion?
Dissolution.
What did we say? Abolition, I said.
You said aberration.
And you, what did you say? Abolition.
Abolition, yes.
Yeah, which is not that. It's all. It's a dissolution. What?
Dissolution.
Dissolution of the monasteries.
Yeah. Abolition of the monasteries. Anyway, went round and
burnt them all.
Sacked them all and
He burnt them all, didn't he?
all and
Killed all the monks.
I'm breaking with Rome. The church was the most important building of the priory and was rebuilt in the late 12th century. Further extended in the 13th century with the addition of a large presbytery. Piers for the new crossing tower had been built, but financial difficulties meant the scheme was abandoned. The existing crossing tower was retained and the new presbytery simply butted up to the eastern side. Local tradition suggests that after the closure of the priory, much of its high quality stone was taken away to build Howsham Hall, which is 2 miles away from here.
Yeah, doesn't surprise me. They nicked it.
There was a lot of that went on though, wasn't they?
Yeah.
We'll have a bit of that, we'll have a bit of this.
Yeah, that's why Adrian's Wall's no longer.
Yeah, I'll build me manor house.
Yeah, because Adrian's Wall's, all the manor houses around Adrian's Wall are built from Adrian's Wall.
It was ransacked,
robbed it from the Romans. That's why there's only little bits of it left.
So yeah, that's Kirkham Abbey.
Priory.
Right, start that again. So that was Kirkham Priory, just outside of Malton. It's run by the English Heritage. It is free to come in. just on the banks of the River Derwent over there, which is lovely. But if
The River Derwent over there, can hear it.
yeah, but just up the road there,
There's a pub.
there is a pub called the Stone Trough Inn. Now, it's a lovely, lovely traditional country pub. But the other thing is, and I think you'll find them on Search for Sites, is that they do allow motorhome stopovers in their car park. The car park is on a slope, so you will need chocks or something. And I can't remember, what did it cost us? Oh, it didn't cost anything. You just go in and it was free to stay. And
As long as you're going for a drink.
You're going for a drink.
Or a meal.
Or a bite to eat.
And we had both, didn't we?
Reasonably priced as well.
It was alright, wasn't it?
I think we had fish and chips, didn't we, on the Friday? It was Friday, wasn't it?
I don't remember. Top of my head.
And there's a little bit of parking at the front here of the Priory. But as well, if you wanted to park up here, come and do this. There is a lovely walk. You go over the bridge and there's a lovely circular walk that takes you through some countryside and it takes you down to Howsham Weir. So it's about, and then you come back up the river. It's about a 4.5 mile walk. So I think that's something we'll do one weekend. It's a lovely walk. I've walked it. I've also kayaked this river down to Horsham. Had a bit of play on the weir. Fell in numerous times.
Right, so we'll leave it at one there, and we'll go have a big fat boy breakfast, I think.
We're going to go and have some breakfast or something to eat, and then we're going to go back to the van, and because it is forecast to rain this afternoon, allegedly. Looking too bad at the minute. You want to watch the rugby tonight, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, back to the
Ground on Monday.
back to the grind of work and speaking to solicitors and all that crap and packing and I just want to be moved in now.
Yeah, it's going to be a while before we are
planning
though.
a trip. Once we've got moved, as I think we mentioned this before, once we've got moved, we are planning a trip away in the motorhome. I think we'll need it. And
Yeah.
we're almost certain about where we're going to go, but we'll let you know a bit later. In the coming weeks, where we're going to go and what we're planning on doing. So we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, people. Helps the channel. And comment. Make a comment. You know, we'll try and do what we can, but, you know, it is what it is.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.